Today, I will be going to perform the fetal heart monitoring using the stethoscope. So first, identify the patient. So may I know your name, ma'am, and your date of birth?
I am April Rose and April 7.
So, hi ma'am, I am Rina Rose Robles, your student nurse for today. So I will be going to check for your rate, rhythm, and the presence or absence of the acceleration and deceleration of your fetal heartbeat. Next, expose the part to be examined and cover the part that is not included in the intervention. Next, perform the Leopold's maneuver. First, the fundal grip. Second, the umbilical grip. Next, place the diaphragm of the stethoscope on the patient's abdomen or where the fetal back is located. Count the beat in a 1 whole minute. Next, assist the patient to get out from bed. And lastly, don't forget to wash your hands to prevent the spreading of microorganisms. Thank you!